The SharpAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool is the must-have item for your outdoor lifestyle. It features two V-notch sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated edges and gut hooks with a special groove for fish hooks, a fire starter, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. First, let's look at the #1 tungsten carbide sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your double-beveled straight edge blade in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure that the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from hill to tip. The tungsten carbide material and the optimum preset sharpening angle is fast and effective. Then switch over to the #2 ceramic sharpener for fine honing. This will polish the blade to a finished edge in several strokes. The SharpAL 6-in-1 also features a tapered diamond rod. This is perfect for sharpening serrations and gut hooks. Simply slide the rod back and forth several times on the area you wish to sharpen using medium firm pressure. An added feature on this rod is the special groove engineered for sharpening fish hooks. Another impressive feature is the integrated fire starter. When your matches are wet or your lighter runs out of gas, this can be a lifesaver. Just remove the rod and pull it quickly and firmly across the tungsten carbide blades. This will give you the spark you need to ignite your tinder and start your fire. Finally, the 6-in-1 includes a built-in emergency whistle. This is perfect for long-distance communication in the wilderness, whether it's your hiking party, your hunting dog, or even a rescue team. It emits a high-pitched blast that can be heard from very far away. And the reflective band on the side can be used as an emergency signal mirror. The SharpAL 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool.
SharpAL, giving you the edge.
everybody, Tim Rawson here. What I'm holding in my hands is another one of those multi-tools. No, it doesn't look like it, but this thing does a lot of different jobs. It's called the Tomahawk Tactical. Tomahawk, because I invented it. Had to name it. I know, it's kind of kitschy, but you will never forget it. Now, a couple of things went into this. One, the steel. The steel is fantastic. 4130 hardened chromoly. It's not going to break. But what I wanted to do is have a tool that, again, could do more than one thing. Deep bearded axe here, protecting my knuckles. So as a fighting tool, I've got an edge here, an edge here, so if I'm punching or blocking, it's a great tactical weapon. But doing small bushcraft work, if I had to do some feathering to build a fire stick, you could do that. This, I'm going to show you how this is a fantastic digger. Actually, I can process more dirt and go through roots with this ADZ hammerhead. This is an ancient tool, and the way that it's designed too, it's a fantastic pry bar. You jam that into a door and you've got this rocking motion, right? So that actually pops doors open. But you do have the key to the city down here. Rip it here, and now I've got another pry bar. So 2 different pry bars. But because the blade is the same size, this whole head, the same size as an axe, I can process more wood even with a small little hatchet than I can with a regular one. Now this is an old hardwood deadwood, so let's see what it can do.
Hey guys, Patrick here with SE Knives, Randall's Adventure Training. Just got some exciting news. The Gibson axe is now shipping to dealers. I know we've been waiting on it for a while. I just want to take just a few minutes to go over some of the specs with you. 10.5 inches long, 4.5 inches wide. It's going to weigh 1 pound, 4.5 ounces. 1095 high carbon steel, black oxide finish. Textured micarta scales. Same awesome SE warranty as all our other products. It'll have the same hardware as the 6HM. Leather mask sheath. The price will be in line with the cleaver and the hungless. Shipping to dealers now. Shane and I will be going up to James's shop to do a longer video where we interview James about his design and what he had in mind when he came up with it. So look for that in the future. We just wanted to let you know that it is shipping to dealers. Be sure to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.
Hey folks, Curtis Ivito here with Spartan Blades, giving you a look at the new Spartan Ronin Shinto. This is a knife we're making in collaboration with our old Special Forces teammate, Tu Lam, who you may know as the co-host of Forged in Fire, Knife or Death, or the owner of Ronin Tactics. This is something we've been working on for quite a while. We'll be debuting it at the 2019 SHOT Show. So if you get a chance, come on and pay us a visit, take a good look at it. You also have an opportunity to meet Tu Lam if you so desire. He'll be at our booth, number 1218, on the first level of the Sands Expo Center. He'll be there January 23rd and 24th from 10 to 11 o'clock. So stop by Spartan Blades booth, check it out, meet Tu Lam, and we'll be debuting this next week. So y'all travel safe. Hope to see you there. Keep
The SOL two-person emergency bivvy is a larger version of our award-winning emergency bivvy. This full protection shelter weighs just 4.9 ounces and sized at 84 inches by 60 inches. It comfortably fits 2 people or 1 larger person. The two-person emergency bivvy has a seam-sealed edge to keep wind, rain, and snow out while reflecting 90% of body heat to keep the warmth in, allowing you and your companion to survive the unexpected night out. The durable heat sheets material is made from a polyethylene that is coated on the inside with a vapor deposit aluminum. If you do puncture the bivvy, the heat sheets material won't run and render the bag useless. The hole can easily be repaired with duct tape. The bivvy also comes with a large stuff sack, so you can easily put the bivvy back into the sack for future use. When heading into the backcountry, never leave without the protection of one of our emergency bivvies.